Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Sandy if you're new, and I have a fun little giveaway announcement that I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm going to go through what all is included in the giveaway in just a minute. But first off, you need to be 18 years or older. Now this is open internationally, so it's not just United States, but you have to be over 18 years of age. Okay, so let's dig in. So this is a giveaway because I hit 5,500 subscribers. So I just kind of wanted to say thank you. So first off is this cute little strawberry shortcake stationery bundle. So you'll get this cute little, if I can get it out of here, eraser. Look how cute that eraser is. Just darling. And then you'll get this strawberry shortcake pencil with this puff on top. And then you'll get this strawberry shortcake journal. Isn't that precious? And I love the paper inside too. I love the red lines. And then the green binding. So cute. So you'll get this little kit. All right, and then it has its little lid, so I'll put the lid back on it and tape it up. Next, you'll get it's a little ephemera pack, basically. And first off, you'll get this little llama. He's so cute. I've had him in my stash, and I just love him. So I have one for me, and so I had an extra one. So I thought I would include him in the giveaway. And then this fun, super fun, fuzzy yarn, and I thought that just went so nice with this strawberry shortcake. So that it's I don't know, maybe 1.5 feet, so it's quite a bit. And then you'll get some fun vintage playing cards. So you'll get a SeaWorld card. These are very loved because they're vintage. A pit card, just fun, it's kind of going for like a kid theme. And then we have this cute little fairy mushroom card, and of course this sweet little kitty cat card. Again, the green, I thought it went so nicely. And then I have this fun tally card. It's a vintage. It says, when it comes to dieting, remember one simple rule: if you can't lose it, decorate it. And I thought that was great for us junk journalers. And then here is a study card, a vocabulary card. And then we have a vintage seed pocket. And then we have a few more fun little vintage card. So we have a Care Bear card. So cute. And then we have this fun, I don't remember what this game was called, but I thought these colors went so well with the strawberry shortcake as well. And then here's just a flashcard. I like the pinks and everything on there. And then a couple more vintage flashcards. And then a score sheet to go with the tally card. And then a couple, just some fun vocabulary sheets. Have some cute little images on there. You could cut those out and put them into your strawberry shortcake journal. And then here's a fun little spelling page, again with some cute images and fun words. So pretty much, I think everything except for this and this and this are vintage, I'm pretty sure. Maybe this isn't vintage, but it's a really great, fun little ephemera pack. And all you need to do to enter to be eligible for the giveaway is to be subscribed to my channel, and you'll have to show me that you're subscribed. So if you happen to win, you'll have to, email me and show me that you're subscribed to my channel. And then like this video and leave a comment and tell me what your favorite item is in this little giveaway package. And that's all you need to do in the comment. And as a bonus, if you want to say where you're from, that would be great too. But the requirement is to tell me what your favorite thing is from this little giveaway packet. And this journal, I'm obsessed with this journal. This cover, it's a really nice, has a good, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. And she just is the cutest little thing, isn't she? And this eraser is so cute. So I think that these will be a lot of fun, and you could actually like deconstruct this and use this as a cover for another journal if you don't want to use it as is. So lots of different options with this. And then this fun little ephemera pack just kind of helps you either decorate this one or decorate some other project that you have. All right, so I will pick the winner on next Saturday. So today is March 8th. So I will pick a winner on Saturday, March 15th, 2025. And again, you need to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what your favorite thing is or favorite things are from this little giveaway packet. And that's all you need to do to enter. All right, guys, thank you all so much. I also want to say thank you to my YouTube members. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you enjoy the member-only perks that you get over on the membership site. Also, thank you to my patrons. Thank you so much. I hope y'all are enjoying your Happy Meal kits that you all got. And yes, and I also have a video up for you all to check out as well. But thank you all so much for your support. And big thank you to everyone who's purchased from my Etsy store. And it means the world to me. So thank you all so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Good luck, everybody. All right, bye.